Hello, my name is Jeff Presson, and I'm the instructor here for Industrial Maintenance and Integrated Automation at TCAT Henry Carroll. In this program, we discuss the technologies of the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing technologies are very diverse. I'm associated with facilities covering products from the food industry to the automotive industry and everything in between. The list of products is endless, but there is one constant. The technologies used for all of these applications are the same. That is what we teach here in the IMI program. Some of the subjects covered here are basic electricity, three-phase, motor controls, hydraulics and pneumatics, hand and power tools, mechanical drive systems, PLC controls, and robotics. These subjects can be quite technical, so having a strong math background and good critical thinking skills is a plus. We teach the theory of fundamentals involved so that when you move into the hands-on lab activities, you will understand why something works and its importance. This will teach you to be a thinker and problem solver for any application. If you choose this program, it can prepare you for a very rewarding career. You'll become an integral part of something much larger that in most cases impacts people all over the world. And upon completion, most graduates begin employment at a salary range of $50,000 to $70,000 with excellent opportunities for advancement. Do not, however, let this be your deciding factor, and do not base your decision on what you see in this video. You are about to make one of the biggest choices of your life. Let's meet and discuss this in detail so that you can make an intelligent decision. Contact me by phone or email to set up a time when you can visit my classroom, see the equipment, and we can focus on you. All of us here at TCAT are committed to helping you find your best fit.